guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the REEBOK Club C Legacy. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. And drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time, as always, to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. And let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the REEBOK Club C Legacy. And if you're a long-time viewer, subscriber of our channel, you will know that there is a special place in my heart for Reeboks. I know I always brag about Converses, but I'm here for Reebok, you know, Bok Boys for life. Shout out Brendan Dunn. Hopefully you're watching this. But today we've got to look at an updated version, a more modern take of one of my favorite Reebok sneakers, the Club C85, which we have done a review. So if you want to check it over there, go ahead. You know, we like to see views on our old videos. So today we've got a look at the REEBOK Club C Legacy, and we've got this in a UK size 7.5, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 41. And we got this in the white cloud grey colorway. And okay, there it is. It's really clean. This is one for summer. For those that don't know, the Club C85 is a classic Reebok sneaker, and if you didn't know any better, you think that this is just a deconstructed version of it, which we'll get into when we get into the review. But we'll start with the outsole, as we always do here at Oneupreviewz. So starting at the outsole, so this is a clear EVA outsole unit. It's got the same patterning of a Club C85 as it should. You've got the Reebok logo in the middle. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So the whole midsole is, again, it's still part of that outsole. It's the clear EVA. You got the Reebok logo right there, just at the bottom by the heel. And for those that don't know, a lot of Reebok sneakers use an EVA midsole for their cushioning. It's for their support. You know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. As you move along into the upper, so the whole upper is made out of synthetic materials. You've got a lot of synthetic leathers and a lot of textile materials. So we'll start with the toe box. So if you look at the mud guards here, you can see these synthetic suedes. Just underneath, you got the mesh. It just looks like nylon, really. And moving along onto the medial and the lateral side. So here at the lateral side, you've got the same placement where the Club C85 Reebok would be. Leather paneling here, well, it's synthetic leathers, as I mentioned. Find it here. And the same placement is found on the medial side. It's in this clean white colorway. Again, the ankle support, the padding here, it looks a bit light bluish. That's because it's like exposed foam. Moving on to the heel. So that heel, again, that leather panel or synthetic leather, I have to stress that enough. So you got the synthetic leather paneling here with the Reebok logo, synthetic suede just beneath it. And we go along onto the tongue and the lace enclosure. So you got your standard lace enclosure here. The tongue with a Reebok classic logo. We love to see it. And at the tongue, you've got the exposed foam. If you look into the insole, there's not much there, but I mean, it wouldn't hurt if there was a Reebok logo every now and again. But, you know, I think Reebok are just trying to be more environmentally friendly and all that, trying to be sustainable. With all that said, as I mentioned, these sneakers are one for the summer. We are reaching boiling point here in London, so I can't wait to try these on with some shorts. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I think you should get a half size down to what you usually wear. I am a UK size 7.5, in all honesty, but I feel like there's a bit of space. My big toe is just over here, and I feel like there's a lot of space here at the front. But it is really comfy, regardless. If you want that lockdown support and a more tighter feel, I suggest going a half size down. There's not a lot of slippage from my heel, so it is an alright. I just feel like there's a bit of space in the front, but I might try on a size 7 UK. But that all said, it is great. These look really fly on. As you can see, I'm wearing shorts, and yeah, they're really comfy. I'm really surprised. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.